In this video, we are going to study definition of error in statistics and some main factors because of which error occurs. So firstly, see definition of error. Error refers to the difference between the true value of a population parameter and its estimate provided by an appropriate sample statistic. So we already know, if we want to calculate parameter of a population, then instead of doing investigation of this whole population, we will choose a small sample from this population. This sample will be subset of this population and we will calculate statistic of this sample. From this statistic, we will estimate the parameter of this population. That is, now this statistic is the estimator for the parameter of the population. So basically, what is error? Error is difference between true value of this population parameter and its estimator, that is the statistic of this sample. Now let's see some main factors because of which error occurs. First is approximation in measurements. Example, age may be measured correct to nearest month. We can explain this through an example. Suppose we are measuring ages of students in a school and we may measure age of one student as 15 years 11 months. To easier calculations, we can write this age as 16 years. So there occur difference, that is there occur error. Similarly, distance may be measured correct to the nearest meter and so on. Second factor is approximation in rounding of the figures to the nearest hundreds, thousands, million, etc. or in the rounding of decimals. We can also explain it through an example. Suppose in our investigation, we may collect one reading as 1001, that is 1001. To easier calculation, we can write it to its nearest hundreds, thousands, that is, we can write it as 1000. So in this way error occurs. Similarly, if we may collect one reading as 9.81, then to easier calculation we can write it as 10, that is, here we round off the decimal. So again error occur. Next, the third one is the biases due to faulty collection and analysis of the data and biases in the presentation and interpretation of the results. So of course, if we collect or analyze data in wrong manner, then error occur. And of course, if we present or interpret the results in wrong manner, then also error occurs. Next, fourth and the last one is personal biases of the investigators and so on. So of course, because of personal biases of investigator, error also occurs.